Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video we're going to be looking at how you can use something called the AI Upscaler. Now in order to find this feature we need to select create design. Okay, once you select create design, select the fast AI image designer. Now when you select the fast AI image designer, on this menu you need to select the AI design assistance. Once you select that, under step 1 select a category. It will be the very last icon here, AI Upscaler. Once you select this, what this will allow you to do is take images that might be of very low quality and really boost up that quality of the image. Okay, this works amazingly well with images that might not just be the best in clarity. So you can actually drag and drop if you have an image already, or if you already have one that's been used before, you can simply come to this section and upload an image. Now in this example, let me see if I can find an image that I can simply drag and drop and bring across. Okay, so we've got Joe Blogs here, bring him across. And even if the quality is not the best, we actually have some really good options you can choose from. So you may just want to upscale the image. It doesn't matter if it's a cartoony or whatever image it may be. But if you want to specifically improve human photos, then select human photos. Okay, then the AI will recognize that it is a human style photo that we want to improve, and it will work differently opposed to only upscale. Okay, also depending on your needs, you can actually convert it into a 300 DPI. Amazing, especially if you're looking for print, etc, etc. So you can convert that as well. But for this one, we're just going to simply go select human photo. So remember, you have all these options, and depending on your needs and your requirements, for this one we are using a human photo. I'm going to select improve human photo, so it really upscale the quality of the image. So sometimes in some instances, just imagine somebody has some outdated family photo, or maybe some wedding photos, or some kind of image that they had stored for a very long time, and over time different quality of cameras and functions, or someone that's had an image on printed out that's kind of worn away, we can take those, upload them, and really boost up the quality of those, and kind of restore them or have them scaled up so they're more easier when it comes to print. Okay, it's much more applicable when it comes to print. So I'm going to go select upscale image and we'll give that a few moments to load, and we'll be redirected now to the personal design section, where you can see here's the original. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit grainy, and we'll give that a few moments and let's see how well it scales up that image. Okay, and here we have, look, this is the first version. Okay, and you can see there's some distortions in the image there, and look at the difference in this one. You can see how clean it is, how smooth the skin is, how sharp, and the clarity and the edgings of it, absolutely brilliant. Okay, and sometimes if you are using images and you're trying to get them printed off, maybe you want to send them off to a printer, sometimes they will require it to be scaled or at a level such as that 300 DPI level, in order for it to be printed without losing any of that quality. Okay, and that's how you would do it. So if you've got any print designs, any kind of designs that you want to get printed and put on physical products, then that will be the best method of actually coming to here. So say for example, if I had, let's find one here. Okay, let's find a design or some kind of image that I wanted to actually put on maybe a bed sheet. I mean, even this little character here, we could take this and convert to 300 DPI, and it would scale up that image. So this is something we could print on a bed cover, a sheet, in a child's bedroom, etc, etc. And that's how we will be able to do that, is to boost up that scale, so it's print ready essentially. Okay, so what we do, we give that a few moments to render, and we shall return. And there we have it. Okay, and there's a nice, much more sharper version of that graphic. So this is being scaled up. Okay, and another thing just to mention, if I do go to the advanced editor, okay, we give that a few moments to redirect, but once it goes in the advanced editor, there is another function within that where if you are working within this, if you need to choose from design, you can actually extract them if you haven't already. So say for example, if you're working on a project, you can actually it will link in. So anything we've done on the fast AI image designer, we can extract it and pull it from that section to here. So anything I was working on, say for example this was the original one, I could pull it there, and we do have that function here also to scale up. and you'll see those choices here. Okay, scale up or human photos, but bear in mind the other one will give that power of getting up to 300 dpi. Okay, that's more specific in that. So that's just something also just to kind of let you know that is there. So in this video we have looked at how you can scale up your images ready, whether they're human photos or whether they're generic cartoon style photos, or you want to get them ready for ready for print. Okay, so apart from that, I shall see you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.